Hey everyone, today we're talking about a pest that may seem harmless at first but can quietly cause a lot of damage in your home: moths. If you've noticed tiny fluttering insects around your pantry or small holes in your clothes, this video is for you. Moths found in homes and fall into two categories: clothes moths and pantry moths. Clothes moths are small, golden, or beige in color, and their larvae feed on natural fibers like wool and silk. Pantry moths have reddish-brown wings and go after dry food products like grains, cereals, and flour. Most moths are small, around 6 to 10 millimeters long, but the real damage comes from their larvae, which feed on fabric or stored food. A moth's life cycle has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Females lay tiny eggs in clothes, carpets, or food. These hatch into larvae that feed for weeks before pupating. Once adults emerge, the cycle starts again. Here are some simple tips to prevent and control moths in your home. Tip 1. Store items properly. Keep clothes you don't wear often in sealed containers or garment bags. Store dry food in airtight jars or containers. Tip 2. Clean regularly. Vacuum carpets, rugs, and closet floors to remove moth eggs and larvae. For pantry moths, wipe down shelves and discard any infested food. Tip 3. Use natural repellents. Place cedar blocks or lavender sachets in closets and drawers. Their smell helps keep moths away. Replace them every few months so they stay effective. Tip 4. Keep humidity low. Moths and their larvae thrive in warm, humid spaces. Use a dehumidifier or keep air flowing in closets and storage areas to make your home less inviting to them. If you're still dealing with moths despite your best efforts, it's time to call the experts. Contact ASM Pest Control for safe and effective moth removal services. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pest control tips. Thanks for watching.